Looking to set up Autofill with Google or Samsung Pass on your Samsung phone so you can save your usernames and passwords effortlessly? You have come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your phone settings. Then, scroll down a little bit until you see the next option. After that, find and tap on General Management. Next, keep scrolling down until you find Password, Passkeys, and Autofill and select it. Now tap on your preferred service under Autofill Service. Then, choose between Google and Samsung Pass for your Autofill option. If you want Google, tap on Google and hit OK to confirm. Or if you prefer Samsung Pass, tap on it and confirm by selecting OK. And just like that, you have successfully set up Autofill on your Samsung phone. I hope this guide helped make your life a little easier. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you found this helpful and leave the questions you may have in the comments below. Thanks for watching!